Hi, my name is Shuming. Today I'm going to introduce my Thesis project. It's a second-hand item trade website based on the Merstack. I came up with this idea because I live in Boston, where there are more than 35 colleges and universities. Hundreds of thousands of students live here. They move a lot. Every time they move, they need to deal with some unneeded second-hand items like old furniture. Students, including myself, find it hard to sell these items, so they have to throw them away. Now let's walk into my application. First of all, my web application is built on the Merstack. Data is stored in the MongoDB, and the front-end UI is created by the React.js. A node server connects the database and the front-end. Before we dive into the website, let's set our scenario. Kyrie is a college student. He wants to sell his old iPhone and buy some cheap second-hand furniture since he just moved into his apartment. And here is the homepage. Each image represents a category. Click on the image, you will see all the available posts on the site. Let's say furniture this time. And you see all the available furniture. And for each result, on the right is the author. Click on this, you will go to the rating page. On this page, users can get an idea of if this person is trustful or not. Every time a user receives a positive comment, the reputation points of the user increased by 1. A negative comment deals 5 points loss of the reputation points. So the reputation points of this user is -3 because he received 2 positive comments and 1 negative comments. And also you can get other basic information from this page. Let's go back. Okay, and you see the first term sell means this author wanna sell a clock. Buy means this author wanna buy a trash can from the platform. And you get other information like the condition, date, time, and the price. On the left you see there are 4 filters. You can filter out results by price, by type, category, and condition. You can apply single or multiple filters at a time. Let's try apply type and price at this time. We only want to see sale post and set the maximum price to 250. And you see the changes on the right. Okay, before we really help Kyrie to buy furniture, we need to create an account for him. Let's go to the login page. This is the login page. And let's go to the sign up section. Let's create an account for him. And password. Let's sign up. Okay, as you can see on the top right, the login button has changed to the profile button and the logout button, and the login status is stored in the local storage. So as long as you don't click on the logout, you don't need to log in again, even you refresh the page or close the page and reopen it. Let's go to the profile page. There are 4 sections on the profile page. The first one and the default one, you get basic information of this account, and you see some missing information. So let's go to the second one. Then let's update those missing information. And let's select state, city, and neighborhood. And we need type our address. Let's click on submit. And refresh page, and you see the updated information. In the post section, you will see all your selling posts and buying posts. Because it's a new account, so there's nothing here. So let's try create a new one. And Kyrie wanna sell his iPhone, so let's say the fill out other fields is electronic. Let's set the price to 450. The condition is like new. Description iPhone. And it is created, and the status is available. We can edit it. Let's say we can try to change the price to 450, and we can also delete it, and we are not gonna do this time. And it is searchable, you see. Okay, then let's go back to the search. Let's say we Kyrie wanna buy this table, and this is the detail page. On this page you will see all the details of this post, and below there is a comment section. If users wanna contact the author, they can leave the comment here. Once the author sees the comment, they can reply on this page. In this way, both the author and other users don't need to give out their personal contacts to avoid potential privacy issues. Also, in this way, the author don't need to answer the same questions again and again, because all users can also see the comments here. So based on the first and second comment we know that this author don't accept the discount. And let's say Kyrie really wants this table, and he has two options. The first one is buy, and as long as you have enough cash to pay, you can just click on buy. Let's say Kyrie doesn't have enough money. Let's click on no. Let's try to buy some cheaper furniture. Let's buy this one. Okay, we already buy it, and you see the new trade history is added to the profile, and it's gone from the search page. And let's go back to the table, and let's try the second option, barter. On this page, users are able to offer items that they are selling to cover the cost of buying items from other users. So in this case, we want a table, and also we can add other things, and we can also remove them. Let's keep the mouse here, and you see the total value of table and mouse is generated automatically. The total value is 330, and we don't have enough cash to pay to cover this price. So let's say we want to add our iPhone to this offer, and the total value is 450, and we can change the currency to match the differences between total values. Let's say they also need to pay 110 to cover the difference, and we can also leave a message here. Let's click on the send offer, and the status of iPhone has changed to temporarily unavailable. It can prevent users from spamming offers, and there's an offer history in the offer section. So let's try to log into the test user, and from his side he will see an offer received from Kyrie, and we can take actions on this offer. And you see from the test user, they will get the information here, and there are two options, accept or refuse. Let's try refuse this time. Once it is refused, the status of offer has changed to the refused, and post. Now the status of iPhone has changed back to the available, and it is searchable right now. And let's say this user has changed his mind. He wanted his iPhone. Let's send an offer back to Kyrie. So we test one of his iPhone, and he can offer a table and a mouse, and plus $110, include a message, send offer. Okay, let's log back to Kyrie, and you see the new offer. Let's say we accept this time, and you see the status of iPhone has changed to dealt, and now we can comment on this trait. We can select positive comment or negative comment. If it's a negative comment, the reputation points of that user will reduced by 5. Let's see positive and say leave a comment. Good deal. Okay, it's commented. Let's see the rating page, and you see the comment here and the reputation points has increased by 1. It's -2. And that's everything about my website. Thank you for watching.